India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students aspiring to build a career in the fashion, apparel, and garment industry, CTS offers the trade of fashion technology. From boutiques and fashion houses to garment manufacturing units, textile industries, retail brands, and export houses, skilled fashion technology professionals play a vital role in creating quality garments while maintaining design, fit, finishing, and production standards. In this one-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant sewing machines, tools, equipment, and real workshop environments. Students learn fashion illustration basics, fabric selection, pattern making, cutting, stitching, garment construction, sewing machine operation, finishing techniques, quality checking, basic embroidery, apparel production methods, and practical troubleshooting through industry-standard equipment and workshop-based training. Trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across garment manufacturing units, fashion design studios, textile export companies, retail clothing brands, boutiques, costume design houses, start businesses, become entrepreneurs, and maintenance services. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. Mrs. Sureka, she joined NSTI and completed ITI, training in fashion design and technology. Today proudly serves as a junior vocational instructor. Her journey inspires everyone to believe that with hard work and self-confidence, success is always possible. Learn today, lead tomorrow.